In this video, I'm going to show you the official way on how to remove ads on ChatGPT. So if you've been using ChatGPT recently, you'll notice that there's a bunch of ads appearing on the bottom of your results. And if you want to get rid of that, then unfortunately, ChatGPT is actually going to make you pay for that. However, you don't necessarily need to get the ChatGPT Pro subscription. You're able to get one that's a little bit more affordable. So open up ChatGPT like you normally would. Make sure you're logged in. Then go to the bottom left and press on this button that says upgrade. Then go ahead and scroll down until you see this option that says see all plans. Once you're done with that, you're able to scroll down, and then over here we have ChatGPT Go. And ChatGPT Go is the most inexpensive one out of all these different options. And over here, it has a bunch of things that you're able to use, including no advertisements. So if you don't want any ads, then you just want to go ahead and actually pay for ChatGPT Go. You don't necessarily need to get ChatGPT Pro or your ChatGPT Plus or whatever. You are able to go ahead and remove the ad simply with ChatGPT Go. So it is a little bit unfortunate that ChatGPT does put this behind a paywall, but once again, I want to be as transparent as possible. So if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.